Hi there, this is Balvinder from NZ Sim. Today we are going to cover our another chapter. This is a keyword planner. How we can use a keyword planner to find a suitable keywords for our campaign. So let's get started. As I mentioned before, this is our demo account, NZ Sim demo. I have one client in my demo account. So I just go to click on this account and I will find a one client in this account. This is NZ Fix. This is my client, and that client is provide a mobile phone repair and iPhone repair services in a New Zealand. So I need to click my this account. So I need to find a suitable keywords for my client. So how I can find that? I just need to click on this tool, and that keyword planner, you will planning in the planning, you will find a keyword planner tab. You just need to click on this. Yep. Here we go. We have a pop-up window with two tabs: find a new keywords and get search volume for forecast. This one will come on later. Firstly, we need to find a suitable keywords for my client. So I just go to here. We already find some keywords: mobile phone repair, iPhone screen replacement. I'm just going to find this two suitable keywords, hit enter. So now we will come on this window with the suitable results that Google pull up for us. So what does it mean? So it means that there is a keyword by relevance. Whatever you mention here, that Google will pull up the results and relevance results. So mobile phone repair, iPhone screen repair, we just put iPhone screen replacement, but this is all relevance result. Google will pull it out for you. Google found 1317 keywords ideas for you, so you can check and you can choose as per your accordingly. So this tab, the average monthly research searches tab. It means that that result is here is all our average monthly searches by the visitor or by the customers. So mobile phone repair, we have 100 to 1k monthly research with medium competitions. So this is how we can analyze our results. Further, we have here top of bid and low range and top of bid high range here. So this is the bid, it depends. This is the minimum bid on the for the top page, and this is the maximum bid for the top page. So you can select as per accordingly. So further, we have here filter as well, so we can use the filter as well to find out suitable result for us. So show broadly idea excluded adults ideas, we already Google's already pulled it for us. So further, we have here all competition. Let's say this is a very powerful filter for us. So competition, you can just check out the mesh types. So low competition, medium competition, and high competition you can use accordingly. Let's say I would like to go for low competition. So just apply on it. So result has been changed here. iPhone repair, so low competition, it has a low competition. Phone repair keywords has a low competition. Average monthly searches is 1k to 10k. It means that the average monthly search is huge. It means that that's good, but this is the low competition. So there is a very low competition. Heaps of advertiser, they doesn't use this keyword. So this keyword we can use it, and that average, according to average monthly search, we can get the business from this keyword. So this is very good for me as well. So as per according to another keyword, cell phone screen replacement, so this is a very low searches by the users, 10 to 100 per month. So this is not for me, so I don't think so this is good for us. So mobile repairing, so this is 100 to 1k. So it all depends. So you can select that all keywords according to your needs. So we have a one plan here. So if I would like to add this keyword, I like this keyword and I would like to this keyword in my in my plan, so I can. So you can just click on add plan. So I was here I was a plan. So in this, as you can see here, this keyword is in your plan at the moment. So how I can find this keyword here? So plan overview, just click on this plan overview. So here this is here this is your keyword. So we will just add some more keywords and we will just check it out how they all are working. So keywords idea, click on keyword idea. So we just put this low competition. So let's say just start with let's just click on a medium and try with medium and apply it. So see, this is the iPhone screen repair. This is a 1K to 10K medium searches. So medium competition, and that the average searches, sorry, average monthly searches is 1K to 10K, and the competition is medium. That's also suits to me because there are heaps of average heaps of monthly searches. Might I can get the result from there. So as iPhone repair, screen repair, iPhone 5 screen repair, phone screen repairs, medium competition has a medium competition, and top page bid with low range this dollar 23 cents, and the top bid maximum top of page high range is $3.17. So might be this is to me as well. So I can select the randomly what I needed. So I will just check it out and just add in my plan. So if see, this is all in my plan. So if I would just go to my plan overview, so here I can just check it, my plan. So now this is all keywords in my plan. That Google said this is the iPhone repair that cost will 6 for the next month. For the next month, here you can say for the November month, because this is October is going for the next, and this is the assumption. So you can get this result from the from this keyword. So cost would be this, you will get this clicks. So you will might get around 3,000 clicks, and might you will get this impression to 45, around 45 km impression you will get, and you will get 33,000 clicks from this on this keywords. So this is all data we have here from the Google. So you can see here as well, your plan can get 6.7k clicks for this, 14k, and $3 maximum CPC. So the price of keyword would be $3. However, your plan, the whole plan might get clicked 6.7k with 100k impression. The cost would be this, so it means that daily budget would be this. So CTR means click through rate with the 6.5. We will make a video to tell you about what is CTR and how we can calculate it. So further, this is all data we have just for the New Zealand. As you can see as well, we can check this location and you can edit this location according to your area as well. So if I would like to go for just Auckland, because my client is just from the Auckland, so I can target my Auckland area, and I can target any specific area as you want. So language is English. At the moment we are just using English language, and this is a search network. So Google have a partners as well. So if you can say just click on Google. So this all data is belongs from just Google search, and this all data is just from the Google search. Whoever that audience is just finding this iPhone repairs from the Google. So this is all are from there. If you click Google and their search partners, that data might be change over there. Here iPhone screen replacement is just 1k to 10k, might be this is all are same, but some keywords get the different data with this Google and search partners. So my location is this, and my language is English, and search network would be just Google if you will just click on Google. You can use this all filters according to your need. If you would like to exclude keywords in my account, if you would like to exclude keywords in my plan, this is all are here. Top page bid, top page, just play with this. Seriously, this is very good things. So you will get a final and good result for your campaign. So in the next video we will make campaign, how we can make a campaign on on the base of these keywords. So this is all our AdWords series. Just keep in touch with us, just subscribe our channel, and you will get the notifications from YouTube. Please do not forget the press a bell icon just side of the subscribe button. So hopefully this might be help you to find a suitable keywords for your specific campaign. We will keep in touch with it. So thank you, bye bye guys, see you.